Hey guys, this is how to fix Amazon Alexa app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss multiple solutions, and for Apple users, I will show a step-by-step guide on the left side of the screen. So first thing that you will do is simply go to the Google Play Store and tap on search at the bottom and go for the search bar at the top and search for the app. Now guys, when there is an update, instead of open, you should be able to see here update and make sure you enable the auto update. Now guys, another solution, just simply go to the settings into your device, and here you should be able to scroll down and just simply tap on the apps. And after that, just simply go for the application, which is Amazon Alexa. So from here, just simply tap on it. And after that, just simply go to the storage and tap on clear cache at the bottom. And you should be able to fix it. But if you still encounter issue, just simply go back over here and tap on clear data and tap on OK. And from there, you should be able to fix your issue. Now, guys, the last option that you have is just simply go to the Google Play Store and tap on uninstall and tap on uninstall. And after that, just simply reinstall it back again into your device and you should be able to fix the issue. And there you go. If you still have issues with the app, guys, just simply comment down below and I will do my best to answer them. See ya!